देखे किरकिरती भी जहां मिलने लगी क्रिकेट की सारी बातें जहां जोश भी है जहां होश भी है जहां क्रिकेट है आओ देखे क्रिकेट टीवी
करने पड़ेंगे। क्या हम हमारी इनहेरेंट जो स्ट्रेंथ है टीम की सिर्फ दो लोगों पे आधारित है, बाकी लोग का क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, उसके बारे में हम सुनते हैं हमारे विषय के प्रिया जोशी, हेतु पटेल और नारायण प्रसारी से। प्रिया जी, पहले आपसे बात करेंगे कि पिछले संडे लॉट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट अबाउट रोको बीइंग देयर एंड डैम स्क्वेब एक्चुअली ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड आई थिंक द रेन प्लेड अ बिट ऑफ spoil sport, I agree, but you can't blame the rain. It's part of the natural infrastructure there. But the way the game was played and the way it went, what are your thoughts?
I think we were expecting a lot from Rocco, but I think उन्होंने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया जितना हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे। और जो टीम भी है वो भी मिक्स्ड है, नए प्लेयर्स भी हैं और उनके साथ रोहित और कोहली को भी रखा गया था। सो आई थिंक समवेयर इट डिड नॉट क्लिक द मैच, द टीम could not perform well and not as per expectations.
So what do you think? You think they're out of practice? Did you see the match? You thought selection was bad. You think the bowling was good, or you think it was just one of those bad days?
I think
Nazar,
sorry, it's Hetri, go ahead, sorry.
no, I'm just commenting. Nazar lag gayi. It wasn't really bad thing.
Yeah, that is typically defensive for Virat Kohli. I think, Nazar.
Yes.
But I guess that's a good way of putting it and trying to take the angst away from the whole thing. But on a serious note, don't you think? So where when you know that you are the key players, everybody else is raw against this team in Australia, and they are going for the first time or maybe the second time at the most, all the players. And so a lot of जिम्मेदारी आपके ऊपर है क्योंकि आप सीनियर हो टीम के, आप सबसे अनुभवी खिलाड़ी हैं टीम के दोनों, और आप अगर परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे तो इसका असर सीधा पड़ने वाला है नौकर, पता है सर, सबको पता था ये। और जब आप दोनों नहीं खेलते हैं तो इसका असर क्या होता है। तो you think again, Hetvi or Priya, one of you think there is lack of match practice? You think there's something was wrong in the way they were pushed back into the arena of high pressure matches after such a long break? One of you, Priya.
सर उनका काफी टाइम से ऐसा लग रहा था कि थे वो लाइक आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, काफी टाइम से खेले नहीं थे। प्रेशर भी काफी था और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की टीम जो है वो हमेशा कंसिस्टेंट रही है, दे हैव ऑलवेज बीन गुड एंड ऑलवेज परफॉर्म वेल। तो हमारी तरफ से प्रैक्टिस थोड़ी ज्यादा होनी चाहिए थी। रिकॉर्ड भी अगर स्टैट्स भी देखते हैं तो 3 सीरीज देव ऑलरेडी वन। तो आगे भी जो मैचेस खेले जाएंगे बहुत हाई प्रेशर है एंड इट रिक्वायर्स गुड कैप्टनसी, आई वुड से, एंड Gill is still young to manage and play against Australia.
He was a bit unlucky in getting out, I guess. Hetu, you think lack of match practice, the way Virat Kohli got out, the way Rohit Sharma got out, I mean, they're not good shots, that they were not wicket-taking balls, honestly. Maybe Rohit got a slight snorter and he couldn't defend himself, but the way Virat hit that shot, he could have left the ball alone. It was wide of the off stump. He could have played a better shot. Lack of practice, pressure?
I don't think lack of practice, pressure definitely. Lack of practice इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो लोग, I mean, I have seen and it shows कि they have been very active. They were there during net practices. They were quite alive. और इतने साल का experience ऐसे 2 महीने मतलब IPL just stopped. It hasn't been that long. तो वो practice नहीं है वो तो I don't think that I would agree with that. They are not that rusty. But yes, like you said कि उन दोनों को खेलना चाहिए. They should have been the anchor during that match. They should have played more in a more mature way that is expected from them.
True, very true, very true. And I think I thought bad shot selection from Virat. Rohit was a bit unlucky. I was unlucky because he did get a good sort of a snorter ball that he could have played better, but it was a good ball to get out to. Virat flashed and then good fielding also. It was a difficult catch that was converted with a good dive by the fielder. So I think to that extent, Virat could not be blamed. But the way he played the shot, I think was a wrong shot. He should have bided his time. It's not a T20, it's a ODI. There's a lot of time. He had played 8 deliveries before that, or 7 deliveries before that, without any runs. So maybe that was playing on him because 7 deliveries, no runs. It somehow psychologically plays on you. Narayan, thoughts on the Rocco before we move on to the other parts of the game. But on Rocco, what are your thoughts?
So I give you an ideology difference, you know. Uh, एक तो होता है नेट प्रैक्टिस, एक होता है मैच प्रैक्टिस, करेक्ट? तो नेट में आप कितना ही प्रैक्टिस कर लो, मैच प्रैक्टिस में मैच का ही प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए। आप सीए का ही कोर्स ले लो, मैं 3 घंटे के बहुत पेपर्स एग्जाम देता हूँ घर पे बैठ के, लेकिन जब मैं एग्जाम देने जाता हूँ ना, मेन एग्जाम 3 घंटे का, तो वो रियल एग्जाम है। सो ये एक बहुत डिफरेंस है। प्लस क्या है, मीडिया ने इतना हाइप किया था रोको को, है ना, कि उन दे ऑल्सो केम अंडर प्रेशर। प्लस क्या है, इंडियन कंडीशंस में खेलना ऑस्ट्रेलिया को, और ऑस्ट्रेलियन कंडीशंस में ऑस्ट्रेलिया को खेलना, बहुत दिन रात का अंतर है। प्लस आईपीएल के बाद 3 4 5 महीने हो गए, उन्होंने कुछ खेला नहीं। और यूजुअली क्या होता है, वेन एवर यू गो टू अ फॉरेन सॉइल, वी डू 1 or 2 मैच प्रैक्टिसेस कराते हैं उधर, वी प्ले द लोकल टीम्स और डू समथिंग, यू नो, वो आते तो वहाँ लोकल खेलते हैं, तो अपने को एक 3 मैच या 1 डे मैच कुछ भी खेलते हैं। वो कुछ हुआ नहीं, बिकॉज चोको ब्लॉक है आजकल इंडियन कैलेंडर, क्रिकेट कैलेंडर, उस चक्कर में उनको चांस मिला नहीं है। बट होपफुली इतना है, मतलब combined stay of 22 balls, 8 runs, 1 player getting a duck. This is the summary what happened at Adelaide actually, देखा जाए तो। And we should give credit to Hazelwood, Stark and Ellis. They bowled excellently well, used that conditions. और प्लस रेन का था, अपने टाइम में इतने बार गिरी, उनके टाइम में एक बार भी नहीं गिरी उनको। तो 4 बार अपने टाइम में गिरी, कभी पहले 45 का हुआ, फिर 30 का हुआ, फिर 26 का हुआ, फिर उनको उनके मैच के ना कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, तो वो भी है। और दैट वाज वन थिंग। बाकी के विल डिस्कस अबाउट आवर बॉलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग एंड एज वी फर्दर
On the batting side, a curious thing I think happened that Akshar Patel was pushed up the order before KL Rahul. Rahul came later. He's actually number 5 batsman, came at number 6, and Akshar Patel is actually 6 or 7, came at 5. You think that is a good move? Any reason you think he came before
नो
KL?
नो, एक्चुअली वो उतने विकेट्स गिरने के बाद में उनको लगा, जब 45 पे 4 हो गए हैं तो करे क्या, तो उन्होंने भेजा उधर। It is very similar to what happened in the women's match where Dipti Sharma was put up basically, you know. तो जिसका जो पोजीशन है ना, वही पोजीशन पे खिलाना चाहिए। So they are also in their frame of mind कि मेरे को इसी पे ही खेलना है, तो they plan everything accordingly करते हैं। तो अक्सर राहुल, हालांकि दोनों ने कुछ एक रीजनेबल स्कोर तो खड़ा किया, whatever 138 whatever, but otherwise तो all we were all down actually. Your captain Gill failed, vice captain failed, you know, Shreyas also did not do well. तो ये ऐसा ही चलेगा, कैसे होगा? एक्चुअली आप देखो तो कोच गंभीर क्या बोलता है, इंडिया शुड बैट डीप अप टू 8 तक, और अब की बार क्या हुआ, 7 भी नहीं खेला, 8 भी नहीं खेला, है ना। और इस चक्कर में जिस बॉलर ने 181 विकेट ली है, उसको उधर चाय पानी के लिए भेज रहे हैं।
Actually, I thought when Australia was batting, you felt the absence of Kuldeep. You could see that the Australian batsmen were actually playing with the Indian bowling, and the Harshit Rana, I think, to a certain extent, bowled well. He bowled his heart out, but that was not enough. Sometimes you are not good enough for the opposition. You have to admit it. You may be very good. You may be very good in certain arenas. बट एक एरिना आता है, एक रणभूमि ऐसी आती है जहाँ आप जो करते हो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि जो सामने वाला जो आपका दुश्मन है वो बहुत ही चतुर है और आपसे बहुत ही ज्यादा अनुभवी है। तो आप और कहीं जीते होंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं चलती है आपकी। और मैंने देखा, आई एम बिगेस्ट क्रिटिक ऑफ हर्षित राणा। आई थिंक स्टिल नॉट मैच्योर्ड, ही शुड नॉट बी इन दिस टीम। आई थिंक देयर आर बेटर प्लेयर्स, बट आई हैव सीन दैट यंग बॉय, ही हैज पोटेंशियल, and he bowled his heart out. He was bowling fast, he was bowling on the pitch, he was trying to grab the batsmen, he was trying to take them out, but just couldn't succeed because the batsmen were that much more experienced. They are like उनके आपके पिताजी के सामने आप खेल रहे हो, He's a young kid.
राणा का क्या है कि 4 अच्छे बॉल डालता है, एक लूज बॉल डाल देता है बस।
Absolutely, and you cannot do that. In the opposition side, they pounce on you.
यस
उनको आप थोड़ा सा विट देंगे, खत्म, बात खत्म. There is no mistake, no chance for mistake. So I think this is where I was watching. I think I wish Kuldeep was there. I wish Kuldeep was there. They could have hit a few more runs, but they would have lost so many wickets in the bargain that they could not have reached that target that they did. And I think it's so fast, and I think that's something that India needs to work on. I don't know. We'll come to that part later. What did you think of the batting change, Priya? You think we should play around like this? That आपने अक्षर पटेल को ऊपर भेज दिया, केएल राहुल जो आपका सबसे माहिर बैट्समैन है, जो ओपन करता था आपके लिए टेस्ट मैचेस में, और जो वर्ल्ड की सबसे मुश्किल बॉलिंग खेल चुका है फास्टेस्ट ऑफ पिचेस पे और फास्टेस्ट ऑफ बॉलर्स के सामने, आप उसको बिल्कुल जैसे सेकंड हाफ में लाते हो, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता है there was something wrong with that move, or would you support that move?
No, definitely there was something wrong. I don't know what they were thinking, but KL Rahul certainly is a performer. He's a batter और उनको पहले लाना चाहिए था. लेकिन कहीं पे I think they were all under pressure और फिर overs भी कम हो गए थे. So India had little margin to make errors. So I don't know what they were thinking really, but I am not in support of that decision that they made.
And on the fact that it's sort of, I sometimes think, Hetvi, that they look at the right-left combination. Maybe Gautam Gambhir in his thinking, because I don't see any left-handers in the team except I think Akshar. Everybody else is a right-hander. So when you lost the wicket, he thought कि bowler को थोड़ा आपका rhythm लूज कराना है, तो आप ऐसा करिए, आप एक लेफ्ट हैंडर को भेज दीजिए, तो सिंगल रहते रहेंगे, तो पहले राइटर फिर लेफ्ट हैंडर, फिर राइट हैंडर, फिर लेफ्ट हैंडर, तो उसमें बुदर का जो एक रिदम होता है वो खत्म हो जाता है. यू थिंक दैट प्लेड ऑन गौतम गंभीर माइंड? यू थिंक दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज सेंट अप द ऑर्डर टू ब्रिंग द राइट हैंड लेफ्ट हैंड कॉम्बिनेशन टू स्टेम द flow of wickets that were happening at that time?
That could be the only justified explanation, because otherwise Akshar Patel is not somebody who you would bring to anchor the innings. उसके लिए केएल राहुल चाहिए आपको. जब विकेट नहीं है हाथ में तो केएल राहुल चाहिए. जब छोटा स्कोर है, खत्म करना है, तो you bring in Akshar Patel. That would have made more sense, because KL Rahul plays slow but he could play long, or that was needed at that point. So his decision was wrong, but yeah, that could be a justified explanation. Yes.
And any thoughts on Shreyas Iyer? Maybe I'll put that question to Narayan, but first you, Shreyas Iyer looked out of color, 11 out of 24, not timing, not middling. I don't know whether you saw the match, but he did not look at home while playing.
Yeah, I mean, there's so much of expectation from him. और I think पूरा ही इंडियन बैटिंग लाइनअप दिख रहा था जैसे सबको शॉट्स मारने हैं. Nobody wanted to play slow. सबको पता नहीं बाउंड्री के पार बॉल चाहिए, किसी को वो डॉट रन्स नहीं, वन सिंगल्स नहीं लेने थे. And it was pressure, so Shreyas Iyer was also under pressure at that point. So we can't really judge him on just one match. पर उनसे expectation काफी ज्यादा है
Narayan,
from
Shreyas,
others.
thoughts on Shreyas?
Shreyas is, according to me, still he is work in progress actually. So it will take time for him to. क्या होता है, एक बिग मैच टेम्परामेंट, हालांकि काफी कुछ खेला है उसने, लेकिन ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वापस वही बोलूंगा मैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सामने खेलना है ना, यू रियली रिक्वायर सुपर टेम्परामेंट. एंड लुकिंग एट व्हाट हैपेंड बिफोर हिम, 3 विकेट जा चुके थे, टॉप रो को गए हुए थे, कैप्टन गिल भी गया हुआ था, तो उनको जमना चाहिए था उधर बैठ के. एंड somehow or the other, being vice captain, you can't drop him also in the next match actually.
I think
I think no, I would still recommend, if somebody not playing captain, vice captain, जायसवाल को आपने क्यों बिठा रखा है बेंच के ऊपर? सुपर प्लेयर, खिलाना चाहिए ना उसको भी. जब आदमी T20 खेल सकता है, टेस्ट मैच खेल सकता है, तो वनडे भी खेल सकता है ना. नहीं खेल सकता, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
But then, the same logic, and again, that's my next question. Glad you raised it now. Then the same thing would apply to Rocco, that neither of the two played. What are they doing in the team? And if you say Shreyas should not be there because he did not perform, he just made 11 runs or whatever, 20 balls, whatever. Then Rohit made 8 and Virat made 0. So, so what? So then what do you do? What would you do?
I'm not naming a person or any.
No. So my question to you is for the second test.
yes,
नाउ दैट यू नो दिस द परफॉर्मेंस,
yeah,
ये
yeah.
हुआ है, अभी संडे को आपका गेम है, अब अभी क्या करेंगे,
अभी
सेकंड
कुछ
टेस्ट के
नहीं
लिए
करना,
स्पेसिफिकली क्या करेंगे?
नहीं नहीं, वो सेम खिलाएंगे, एक्सेप्ट कुलदीप को खिलाना चाहिए सुंदर की जगह,
सुंदर के लिए?
पे। देखो सुंदर क्या है, सुंदर ऑलराउंडर है, लेकिन एज अ बॉलर इफ यू फील ना, ही इज ए नॉट अ विकेट टेकर, जितना नहीं है जितना कुलदीप है ना। कुलदीप का क्या होता है, फ्लाइट और डिप इतना मजबूत उसके वेपन्स है कि बैटर को बहुत समझ में नहीं आता है कि वो कौन सा बॉल डाले। तो वॉशिंगटन सुंदर, सी यू नीड नॉट प्ले अप टू 8 नंबर, आप 7 तक ही खिलाओ ना बैटर को, लेकिन ऐसे बॉलर को ले जो अगले वाले की विकेट तो ले सके, अच्छा उनको डर तो लगे कि कोई अच्छा बॉलर है। और 113 मैच में 181 विकेट लिए है उसने। ही इज नॉट ए वेरी ऑर्डिनरी बॉलर, ही इज अ गुड बॉलर, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट बॉलर। तो उसको मेरे को लगता है दैट इज वन चेंज आई थिंक आई फील होना चाहिए।
But on the so again on the same question to you, again on the same point, three pacemen. You had three specialist bowlers on the fast on the pace side. None of them honestly, you know, showed any penetration or beating the batsman. Neither Arshdeep nor Mohammad Siraj nor Harshit Rana really troubled the batsman. Arshdeep took one wicket, and that was a good one. But it's like the good catch taken by I think Akshar Patel, if I'm not mistaken. But the point is that when your pacemen are not able to take exactly the same bounce and swing that the Australian baseman did when we were batting. Very similar conditions, except that it did not rain when they were batting. It rained when we were batting, so that difference was there. But the pitch was the same, with overcast, uh, uh, a slight hang in the air. You could, may move the ball in the air. You could not do what they did. If you think instead of moving Washington Sundar away, you bring Kuldeep in place of a Harshit Rana or in place of a maybe a Sleep or maybe even Siraj.
Could be Harshit Rana could give way to Kuldeep. Kuldeep is a must. This is what my thought is actually. He's a wicket taker bowler. He understands, and he's not a restrictive bowler. Aksar is also an intelligent bowler, but Sundar is not that a penetrative bowler. I think that is why I gave you that analogy
Yeah, but
of putting him down.
I agree with you, but I think from a batting perspective, Sundar just sometimes comes up with those classics, 15 बॉल में 30-40 रन बना देता है कभी कभी. He has the ability to hit with of his T20 experience, which he can bring into play towards the last 10 overs of the ODI, where it becomes a T20. So, when you're pinch hitting, I think Washington Sundar is a very good pinch hitter. And I think if you think that the pitch is not conducive to it, because Zampa's coming back in the match, as you said last time. If Australia is picking Zampa for the 11 playing 11, then they expect the pitch to do something for the spinners.
Yes.
Maybe during the first half, second half, whatever. If they are taking Zampa, then you need Kuldeep. And then if you're taking Kuldeep and spin is a support thing, then you need Washington, and you don't need one of those three.
Rana.
So
Then Rana.
one of those three, you can take a call. I mean, but depending on what Gautam Gambhir feels like, it is a good, change, because he's a man of his own mind. Yeah, what would you do? What changes would you make in the team going into the second test? Would you remove Rohit? Would you remove Virat? Would you remove Shreyas? Make changes, bring in. There are people on the bench. Narayan said, "What is Yashasvi doing? Yashasvi Jaiswal doing on the bench? He's one of our best batsmen. He's what compared to Don Bradman, I think some record he has
Yes.
of scoring the
Broken.
maximum 150s before turning 25 or something like that. And so he's a run machine. I mean, he has played well. So what stops the management from dropping one of these three or four, the top four, and bringing not Shubman, of course, he's the captain. So bringing in a Yashasvi in place of one of these 4 or 5 people. What do you think?
I would certainly keep Rocco, give them a little more practice, but I would keep them. And I think I would let go of Shreyas and bring in Jaiswal, like Narayan sir said, because he is one of the best that we have right now. I think that's the only change I would make. I wouldn't change anything more in the team.
Uh, I think that sort of maybe not a bad idea, because Yashasvi is left-handed. I'm not saying remove Shreyas and take Yashasvi, but taking Yashasvi as a batsman, I think we lack that left-right combination at the top. Akshar comes in the bottom half. You have all right-handers from number 1 to number 6, and you don't have a left-hander there. So I think a right-left combination is always good to upset both the fielding and the bowling of the opposition. And I think so. To getting Yashasvi, if Yashasvi can be brought in place of somebody, I don't know who. I don't want to take a guess. I'll ask Hetvi what she thinks. But getting Yashasvi in might just make sense. He's a very good. He's in good nick. He's in good form, and young kid, fearless. So maybe in place of Shreyas, maybe in place of Virat, Rohit. I don't know. Hetvi?
Playing, I mean, to go beyond just technicalities, cricket में I don't think Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma are just for their experience. They are also to bring in audience as well. तो वो नहीं है कि सिर्फ it's a PR strategy. तो वो नहीं है कि सिर्फ वो खेल रहे इसलिए, but they need audience. हमने टेस्ट में देखा था अब इंग्लैंड में कि ऑडियंस थोड़ा लैक कर रहे थे, दे मिस्ड देम, तो आई थिंक दैट्स आल्सो अ स्ट्रेटेजिक मूव इन टर्म्स ऑफ बिजनेस. बट yes, I think Yashasvi Jaiswal could come in, but then again if we want different teams for different formats तो फिर श्रेयस अय्यर को खिलाना पड़ेगा ना ये ODI के लिए, because Yashasvi Jaiswal does play test for India. So if you're preparing teams for certain formats, then you'll have to give them chance, and if it's a work in progress, finish कुछ तक तो पहुंचाना पड़ेगा.
And see, he's in the 15 already, so why not in 11? Yeah, I guess that's going to be a tough ball even for a Gautam Gambhir who will take very unconventional and sometimes controversial decisions. On the Rohit Sharma Virat Kohli again combination, uh, Narayan, do you think Virat should come up the order and not come at three, maybe open the innings with Rohit?
No, no. If we are now looking at Jaiswal, then Jaiswal and Rohit should open the innings, and Kohli should come one down, and followed by Gill, and then Rahul, and then
So you would say Shreyas should move away and Yashasvi should
yeah.
come in, and Yashasvi should start.
No, no, Yashasvi, if he is taken, he has to open the innings
Needs to.
because he is an opener only. You cannot take him at 4 or 5 number, to play.
I think I would sort of say you're right. And Shubman can drop down to number 4,
Yes.
which I think he's not averse to that. He's okay. I think he doesn't mind coming in that position. Kohli at his traditional number 3. So I think the key will be you want a left-handed batsman to come in, or you want Kuldeep Yadav to come in, or you want both. Because to get in both, there might be a little bit of a upheaval in the team, especially if you remember the vice captain for not too much underperforming at the cost of retaining Rohit Kohli and Virat Kohli, who are ex-captains. And but as we said, crowd pullers. So you want Amitabh Bachchan to be there in spite of his old age to come in and play the hero. I think that is a commercial reality. So what do you think will happen on Sunday? Last comment each for Narayan. क्या लगता है prediction क्या है? Predict Sunday.
मैच कल है ना, संडे नहीं है ना.
Sorry, my
हाँ
apologies.
मैच कल
My apologies. I keep on saying itwar, but tomorrow.
कल है
कल
ना.
कल कल.
तो देखो ऐसा है, कल जीतना है तो 1-1 है ना, और कल हारेंगे तो 2-0 है. फिर थर्ड मैच में किसको भी खिलाओ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. सो कुछ भी अगर आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचना है तो इसी में सोचना है. वन थिंग इज फॉर श्योर, कुलदीप हैज टू प्ले अगर इंडिया को कुछ खेलना है तो वो हिसाब से. और कंडीशंस एट एडिलेड विल बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट वाज पर्थ. आई आई सॉ टुडे 19-20 डिग्री का टेम्परेचर है, क्लाउडी भी रहता है, और रेंज का कोई फोरकास्ट नहीं है इधर तो एटलीस्ट. तो इट विल बी अ फुल 50 ओवर्स मैच. अच्छा मैच होना चाहिए. एंड रोको जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है, परफॉर्मेंस होना चाहिए उनके हिसाब से उनका. एंड बॉलिंग डिपार्टमेंट जो अपने को वीक लग रहा है, अगर जीतना है तो उनके 10 विकेट लेने हैं अपने, है ना. तो या उनको रोकना है अगर अपन ने अच्छा स्कोर कर दिया है. सो ये परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन क्रिकेट में होता है. ये तो देखते हैं कैसे होता है, बट आठ इंडिया पूरा जोर लगा देगा, और रोको भी कल अच्छा जोर लगा देगा, कल देखिएगा आपको।
So there has been rain. I was just looking up the latest weather report. It's been raining last couple of days, but it stopped. And but it therefore outfield will be a bit sluggish with a lot of rain in the last 2 3 days, and the grass having grown. I think they're not going to again be going it for the match. I think a little that there is a one a part of the ground which is shorter. So I read somewhere that they might not want to take Kuldeep because of that, because Kuldeep, the Australia are
टेंस
good
टू,
sweepers. They're good sweepers of the ball. They can sweep well, and if they sweep well, then they can take Kuldeep Yadav to the boundary or shorter boundary, and make more runs on that side of the ground. So that's one reason why Kuldeep may not be taken, and they might want to persist with the current setup and maybe bring in a Yashasvi Jaiswal in place of a Washington Sundar, or one never knows. So let's see. I think it's going to be a tough decision. So, yeah.
Yeah, sir, I think few things we should look at. A solid start at the top to avoid early collapse. I think we need, if we bat first, we have to cross 300 because Australia is
So
a very strong team.
expectations from Rohit and Kohli, what would you expect? Yeah.
To keep the wickets as much as they can to save their wickets. I think that's what is very important.
That's a very good point you make, Hetvi. I think it's necessary that Rohit, as you mentioned about the star power. I think that just not on the audience, it rubs off on the team also. So if you're on the pitch, अगर आप वहां पे खड़े हैं एक एंड पे, और एक नया लड़का आता है बैटिंग करने के लिए जो रॉ है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए, लेकिन वो आपको दिखता है सामने के साइड पे, तो उसको भी एक प्रोत्साहन मिलता है कि मैं रोहित के साथ खेल रहा हूँ, या मैं विराट के साथ खेल रहा हूँ, और फिर वो उससे प्रेरणा लेता है, वो भी अच्छा खेलने लगता है। तो what do you think? Do you think Virat should just come and play normal fast game, get Dita to, I mean, survive fine, don't survive, go back, or should they change a little bit on the tactics, both Rohit and Virat?
I think with the kind of experience they have and almost retiring point पे आ गए हैं, तो I think they should use that experience to play smartly instead of play quickly. तो उनको अभी shots नहीं खेलना है. They have been captains of these teams, so उनको पता होना चाहिए कि कब कैसे खेलना है. They need to strategize their game on accordingly.
Pranay, any thoughts on Shubman's captaincy? What did you think? Did you think we were not able to put up a good score? It was under DLS. We had limited target to defend. You think he came in well with his bowling changes, field placement? You think he was aggressive, not aggressive, ordinary? What do you think of?
एक
What do
तो
you think
क्या
about it?
एक तो क्या था कि रेन ने काफी खराब कर दिया अपने मैच को खेलने में भी, बैटर्स को भी इशू हुआ खेलने के अंदर। और प्लस अब क्या होता है कि जब आपका 136 रन बोर्ड पे ही है, कोई भी कैप्टन क्या कर लेगा उसके अंदर, और उसकी बॉलिंग के में भी कोई दमदार इतना बॉलर नहीं था जो कि मिशेल मार्श को रोक सके। आपने देखा होगा मार्श ने स्टार्टिंग में अटैक करके फिर उसने एकदम डिफेंसिव मोड पे आ गया खेलने के अंदर। तो वो कि सब शातिर, वी आर प्लेइंग वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टीम्स इन द वर्ल्ड, दे अंडरस्टैंड, दे दे ईट क्रिकेट, स्लीप क्रिकेट, एवरीथिंग, वही सोचते हैं हम लोग। तो स्ट्रेटेजिकली दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट। तो उनके हिसाब से ही डिड अ गुड जॉब, ही ट्राई टू रोटेट इन दोस 26 ओवर्स वॉट एवर इट। लेकिन क्या 22वें ओवर में ही गेम खत्म हो गया था। अगर एक चीज ये देखना पड़ेगा कि उनके जो नए प्लेयर उन्होंने खिलाया था, मैट रेनशॉ करके,
Hmm.
उन्होंने बॉलिंग भी अच्छी करी और बैटिंग में भी उन्होंने लास्ट तक साथ दिया। सो दोस टेम्परामेंट हैज टू बी बिल्ट। अपने भी हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि वी डोंट हैव आवर बॉयज, बट समबडी हु इज प्लेइंग इंडिया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, अच्छा और ओपन कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट टाइम, और वो भी क्या इंजरी के कारण उनको चांस मिला था। तो मेरे ख्याल से शुभम डिड अ फेयरली गुड जॉब। पहला ही मैच है, अभी 2 मैच और हैं। ये टेम्परामेंट खेलेगा। प्लस क्या होता है जब आपके साथ में 2 दिग्गज पुराने कप्तान भी खेल रहे हैं, तो एक थोड़ा सा एक मेंटल प्रेशर तो रहता ही है ना। बट आई थिंक ही वेंट टू अप टू देम एंड was asking them and inquiring them and taking their help. He was never aloof. he used to go to Shreyas also. सब बात करके कर रहे थे क्या करें, क्योंकि लेकिन स्कोर इतना छोटा था तो क्या कर सकते हैं actually?
Yeah, I think we got up on the wrong foot and एक बार आपने 130 रन का 136 रन का टारगेट होता है तो कोई बड़ी बात होती नहीं ऑस्ट्रेलिया इस टीम के लिए
और
जब
उसमें भी 5 रन कम हो गए DLS के चक्कर में।
Ah, actually, that surprises me sometimes because yesterday Pakistan, I was watching the match with South Africa.
बेचारा
Their
इतना
targets
ज्यादा
kept on going up, it was going down. So I don't know how DLS works. I don't know. You're a more chartered accountant dimag than I am. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. So maybe we can discuss that on one of the shows on what DLS means and how it is calculated and what
I have a DLS expert, we'll call him.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's important for even our audience to understand what
understand,
the hell is
yeah.
this DLS. I mean, it's a very mysterious thing. Suddenly, everything changes. Barish stuff. So that can be a topic of one of our next episodes. So I think last word, Priya, last word, Hetvi, and then we write up.
Yeah. So looking forward to a good match. We need to win this one. So we need to have a strategy. Cross 300 for sure if we want to win. Avoid the lose overs. Bowling has to be good. No excuse. That's it.
Bowling has to be good, no excuse. Hetvi, Virat Kohli, kya century?
नींबू मिर्ची लगा के रखूंगे मुकेश को
Use the right number of milchis. Let's
Yeah.
Okay, Narayan, last word to you and we wind up.
So try Jaiswal, number 1. Top 5 batters to fire and score 300 minimum, and so enough scores on the board for the bowlers to perform, and a good match. Good match.
Yeah, I think we should not fold up the way we did in the first match. Let's hope we give a fight. As I said earlier so many times, it's not about winning and losing, it's how we win and how we lose. That's very important. And let's hope we don't lose the way we did in the previous match. Let's hope we win, but even if we lose, not the way we lost in the previous match.
Add one more, Shubham Gill to win the toss.
I hope that happens. Well, that's a big game changer, by the way. Yes, it's very important that something goes in our favor, so we are able to make some choices. So let's wait for the match. Not on Sunday, it's tomorrow. My apologies for that. I kept on saying Sunday because the first two matches, the earlier matches were all on Sundays. We're talking about Itwar to Itwar, like this is on Thursday, which is also, by the way, a good day. I think some people are saying it's New Year, some are saying it's Bhai Dooj. Whatever it may be, very auspicious day for us, for India as a Hindu calendar New Year, and we hope that it works for India. Our wishes to all our viewers for this New Year. Best wishes to you from the entire team of Cricket TV. We have started going live, I think, or we will be going live, but we are getting in our technology in place, and we hope to come back to you with more and more programs with news and reviews. And so keep watching and like, subscribe, share. Yeah, did I get that right? Like, subscribe, share.
Yes, and share.
Cricket TV. So spread the good word. Tell everybody watch Cricket TV for all things cricket, news, entertainment, education. Thank you guys for watching. We'll get back to you after the match with our post-match review. Thank you.
आओ देखे क्रिकेट टीवी जहां मिलने लगी क्रिकेट की सारी बातें जहां जोश भी है जहां